Vivo just dropped a phone that shouldn't exist. It's thinner than most flagships, yet it packs a 6,500 mAh battery. They're calling it the Battle Angel. This is the new Vivo S50. It's got a periscope zoom, an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, and a price tag that'll make you look twice. But is it actually the mid-range king of 2026? Let's find out. The Vivo S series used to be just for selfies, but with the new S50, Vivo has changed the game. They're calling it the Battle Angel, and for the first time, the performance finally matches the looks. Today, we're finding out if a 6,500 mAh battery and a Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 are enough to crown this the new mid-range king. How did they fit a battery this big in a phone this thin? It's high-density silicon carbon tech. It feels incredibly light at 197 grams, but it outlasts almost every flagship on the market. Also, the IP69 rating means it can survive high-pressure hot water jets. Don't try that with your iPhone. The Chinese tech giant announced the Vivo S50 with a design reminiscent of the older iPhone 16 Pros, so it has a flat front and rear with rounded corners. The device sports a 6.59-inch AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, 4320Hz OWM dimming, and up to 5,000 nits of peak brightness. Under the hood, the Vivo S50 is equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 SoC, which is paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512 GB of UFS 4.1 storage. Similar to its smaller sibling, the S50 also houses a huge 6,500 battery pack, but it only has 90 watts wired fast charging and no wireless charging support. For photography, the rear has a 50-megapixel main f1.88 OIS plus 50-megapixel periscope telephoto, 3x optical zoom f2.65, plus 8-megapixel ultra-wide 100 degrees f2.2, while the front houses a 50-megapixel selfie shooter f2.0 autofocus. Other notable features include Bluetooth 5.4, Wi-Fi 6, stereo speakers, and IP69 rating for water and dust resistance. The S50 finally gets a periscope lens. The 3x optical zoom is tuned specifically for skin tones. Vivo's Live Photo 2.0 is the real star for creators. You can add cinematic motion and even snowflake effects directly to your moving shots. It makes your Instagram feed look like a movie set. Vivo just announced the Vivo S50 in China in 4 color options, namely Space Black, Confession White, Serene Blue, and Inspirational Purple, and 3 storage variants. Under the hood is the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3. It's snappy, stays cool thanks to the new VC cooling, and handles high refresh gaming without breaking a sweat. And the display? 5,000 nits peak brightness. You can use this under the harshest midday sun, and it looks perfect. Would you choose this over the smaller S50 Pro Mini? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech deep dives. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe